this bow, I'll be using 2.5-inch satin ribbon in royal blue. I'll also be using a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a glue gun, and a lighter. So I'll be using a 1/8-inch piece of the ribbon, and then I'll also be cutting a 1/2-inch piece of ribbon. I'm going to start by folding the 8-inch piece of ribbon in half, and then I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to apply glue to the crease that I created when I folded it in half. Then I'm going to take one end and align it with the crease, and then I'm going to take the other end and align it with the crease and make sure I press down, setting the glue at the crease to hold both sides down. And then I'm going to fold it in half, placing a dot of glue in the middle. I'm going to make sure that I do not get the glue all the way to the top, but just covering half of that folded area. Once the glue sets in the middle, I'm going to take one side and fold it back. And then I'm going to take the other side and fold it in the opposite direction, applying glue to hold them in place. Once that glue sets, I'm going to take the little 1/2-inch piece of ribbon and I'm just going to seal the ends with the lighter. This will ensure that the edges of that piece are not frayed. Then I'm going to take the bow that I created and I'm going to apply glue at the bottom of that bow. And then I'm going to attach the 1/2-inch ribbon piece with most of that piece hanging towards the back. Once that glue is set, I'm going to wrap the 1/2-inch ribbon piece around the back of the bow, and then I'm going to bring it back around to the front and secure that piece onto the bottom on top of where it started. And then I'm going to place one more dot of glue on the back of the bow to secure any excess ribbon. The final step is just fluffing, and here is my completed bow. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and have a great day.